how to change skip forward and backward duration on YouTube videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today, I'll help you on how to change the settings for skip forward and backward duration on YouTube. So open up a YouTube app and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right, and then on the top right, tap on settings. Then scroll down and you will see playback under video and audio preferences. Tap on it, and here you see skip forward and back. Tap on it, and now you can change the duration. If you want it less, then tap on 5 seconds. You can even change it to 15 seconds, or the maximum duration is 16 seconds. So if you tap on the forward option, then the video will forward to 60 seconds later. And like this, you can change the settings on your YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.